Okay guys, so we have finished the 14 questions in our previous videos, and now we have to start question number 15 of exercise 5.3, and we are continuing with the chapter of arithmetic progression. Okay, so question number 15 says contract on construction job specializes a penalty specifies for a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. Like suppose if they there might be some contract that they would finish in these many days, and if they don't finish, so if there was a delay for one day, they would charge 200 rupees, and if 2 days, then second day 250 rupees, right? First day is already 200 rupees you have to pay. For the third day they would charge 300, and so on. So for each succeeding day, the penalty is 50 more than the preceding day. Now, how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? Okay, so we can clearly see from these things that I have to find out the sum of money which the contractor has to pay for 30 days, right? So SN I have to find out, or I can say sum of 30 days penalty. Here I have to find out. Then my I know my AP is like 200, 250, then 300 and 350, and so on, right? So it becomes an EP because there is a difference of 50 rupees for every day. So common difference is same, so I can say it is an AP. And A is equal to 200 and D is equal to 50, and N we know N is equal to 30, right? So then I can just put in my sum of term formula, and then I can do, so sum of n terms is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so now sum of n terms I have to find out. N is 30 by 2, and 2 into a is 200 plus 30 minus 1 into my d is 50. Okay, so this becomes 15, so I get 15 outside, and this becomes 400 plus 29 into 50. Okay, so now this is 15 into 400 plus now 0, 45, 4 and 1450. Okay, so now this is equal to 15 into how much now? So 1850. Okay, then I have to multiply by 15, so 0, 75, 127 and then 27. So this much rupees he has to pay as penalty, right? So sum of every day. So my answer I can write down as that the contractor delayed for 30 days, right? He has to, how much penalty he has to pay, right? So I can say the contractor has to pay the penalty of rupees 27,750, right, for delay of 30 days right? So see, the question was too big. It looked that it will be difficult, but it's not. So don't pre-assume that your question will be difficult by looking at the length of the question. Okay, let's move to question number 16 now. So question number 16 says a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the terms. Okay, let's see. So what is given and what we have to find out first. So sum is given. So sum of here 7 cash prizes, right? So 7 prizes is equal to 700. N is equal to 7, right? It has to be given in that. Now each prize is 20 less, so I know that D will be minus 20 because each term will be deducted by 20, so then it is fine, right? You have to find the value of each prize. Okay, so we have to find out A for the first prize, and then we can keep deducting 20 rupees from that, so we will get it, right? Okay, so let's the given conditions, I can use my sum formula. So sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now my sum is equal to 7 by n is equal to 7 and 2a I don't know, and n is equal to 7 minus 1, d I know is minus 20. So now this becomes 7 by 2 and 2a. Then okay, sum is also given to me 700, right? Okay, so now this becomes plus 6 into minus 20. Okay, so 2 can go that side, so this becomes 1400 is equal to 7. Even 7 can go that side, right? So 2a and this is minus 120. Okay, so now 2a is equal to 1400. I'll take 7 this side, so it will be divided, and then I'll add 120. Okay, so this is my 200, right? So 200 plus 120, so 2a, right? So a will be equal to 320 by 2, so this will give me 160 rupees. Okay, so the first prize would be 160 rupees. Okay, so now I know my first prize and I can find out the other 6 prizes by just subtracting my 20, right? Because each prize is 20 rupees less. So I can say, I can directly write down my answer, that the value of the prizes, right? The value of the prizes would be correct. So would be, they had asked the question like this, right? Was given. Okay, then not would be. Okay, was, right? I can write down was also, so it was. Okay, what was the prices? So first was 160, then 20 rupees less, then again 20 rupees less, and then 100, and then 80, and then 60, and then 40. So this was my, these were my prices. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and if you add you should get 700, right? So you can confirm your answer by just adding. So I think, yeah, we are done with this question. So now we are done with the 2 questions in this video, and stay tuned for the next questions in the next video. See you.